Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. Got a very short video tutorial for you today that will show you how to make a professional logo for free. So to do this, we're going to use something called Canva, which is a browser-based piece of software for graphic design. And if you've never used it before, it's very easy to use, very intuitive, very simple. And to get access to it, there's a link in the description for this video. So once you click that link, you'll be able to log in and use Canva for absolutely free. There is a pro version, which you've got to pay a monthly fee for, but that just gives you access to a wider range of templates, really. So to do this, you're going to need to log in, and once you get to the homepage, it'll look something like this. And if you search for the word logo, Canva will then give you a choice of 60,000 templates, or just over, to modify and evolve into your own logo. So that's basically the way it works, is that you don't have to start from scratch. You can choose from any of these suggestions at the top, or filters and categories on the left hand side here to narrow down your search a little bit. So if we look for something that's new, for example, then it's just going to show us logos that are associated with that keyword. So spend some time, look around what's available, and have a good browse on the different logos that are there, because you will find something that closely resembles what you need. Once you've found a logo that you like the look of, if you hit customize this template, which is this little purple button here, that'll then open the Canva editor. Now what you can do here then is basically, modify and evolve everything, change the colors of everything, modify the text, change the font. You can bring in elements from this tab here. So if you single click things and drag them in, you can see that they just get brought in as images. You can resize those images, move them around, and then if you don't need them anymore, hit that little delete button there. You can upload your own images to do the same with, also add in custom text there on those tabs. So as you can see then, when you click an object in the editor, the tools that appear at the top here change, responding to whatever object you've got selected. And this image in the middle, you can obviously change, the eye color and whatever you need to there with those 4 little color swatches. And the text, for example, when you select it, gives you font size and color. And then if you double click it, you can type in whatever you need to there. And if you just hit click away from that, then that'll apply it in the shape that the template already had, So yeah, very simple, very easy to use. And it also comes as a mobile app as well, which is kind of a sign of its simplicity, really. Once you're happy with your logo and you want to save it as an image, click share in the top right hand corner and then hit download right there. And then that'll allow you then to choose an image type, which is usually going to be PNG or JPEG, and then hit download there, and that'll allow you to save it on whatever device that you're using. And that concludes the video tutorial. Okay, so if you want to do this now and use Canva, spend some time on it and get used to it, click the link down below in the description. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, hit like and give us a subscribe. And then if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.